is wrong.
You guys, I'm so excited. I just got my first package from Vital Proteins. I just got their matcha collagen and I'm so excited to try it tomorrow. I've been wanting to get some matcha stuff, and I actually just became a teen influencer. I can't remember what it's called. I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, I'm gonna open this up real quick and show you guys. So here's what the packaging looks like. Oh, it might fall. No, it didn't. Okay, here it is. I am so excited to try this tomorrow morning. Oh my gosh. I will keep you guys updated on how I like it, but yeah. Go ahead. Do it. You got a piece?
What?
A piece? Okay guys, I'm vlogging on my phone again because I left my SD card in the bottom of my bag and I don't feel like trying to get it out and redoing it. But it's Friday, it's 4:30, we're at Myra's Produce in Cordele. If you live in South Georgia, you're looking for a good produce place, come here. It's literally so cute. Sorry, my windshield's so dirty, but there is a sign and it's just a cute little produce stand. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm on my phone again vlogging because my camera's dead. But I haven't vlogged all day. It's Saturday. It's 8 o'clock and me and Mom are going to Chick-fil-A. How do you feel about the Chick-fil-A outing? You gotta lean in a little bit if you want to give comments.
Can't wait. Starved.
Okay, I'll just put that up when I get there.
Someone.
Good morning, guys. I look...
Oh my God!
Yeah, so I don't know on like what planet I thought it was okay to literally record myself looking like that. I did. So I hope you enjoyed that short snippet of me looking like that. So never doing that again. But yeah, back to your regular programming. Okay guys, what's up? I'm editing. I just sat down. I'm gonna put on Life Church because I miss Life Church so much. I'm gonna watch it while I edit and see how long it takes me. I just opened like all the windows in my room, so it's very bright in here. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do this. I'm drinking my water and my coffee. I'll probably eat around like 12:30. But yeah, okay. See you guys in a little bit. Oh, also I painted my nails. Let me turn you guys. I like the color. I'm not good at painting my nails, so that's why it looks rough. But I got a Deborah Lippmann, like their version of gel, and it looks really good. Okay guys, I just finished cooking some sweet potato fries. So yummy. The Alexia sweet potato fries are so good. And then my dad made us potato soup. So yummy. Okay guys, I'm making it public. I usually do premieres, but since it was so last minute, I'm just gonna make it public. So, yep, there we go. Say hey.
Hey.
Any advice?
Oh, this is a recording?
Yes.
This is a recording.
Oh. That's it?
Peace, bro.
How are you feeling, Mom? Any advice from your corner?
I need some help from Tori.
Close.
Final report. I won both games with Skippo. How do you feel?
Good job, Sissy Ring. You make me so proud. Smart girl. She's a smart girl. She's so smart. What was your question, my dear?
How does it feel to lose to me twice?
You're good. You're the winner. That's you. Oh, yeah. Hey!
Anything else?
No. I love you, sweetheart.
Hey guys, so I wanted to show you what I got in this FabFitFun box. It's not the full one. I don't know what this is called. Yeah, so these are the products I got. I'm really excited for them. They're actually all good products. So first I got a hand mask, which I'll show you. Dry Bar Prep Rally. It's like a heat protectant and a detangler. I love this. I've used it forever. I've been using a different like brand of the same kind of product, but I'm super excited to have this because I'm going to use it again. Then the last two things is a Tarte moisturizer. I've never heard of this one. Of course I know Tarte and I use the Tarte brand, so I'm sure it's good. So I'm going to try that. And then the last thing is a rose gold bracelet. Sorry, I had like a brain fart. So yeah, this is what it is. And here's the box. So here's the hand mask. Oh, I actually might do this right now because I'm about to take a bath. Here's the bracelet. Look how cute. Sorry, it's not focusing. It's so pretty. So yeah, it's just a door. I think it's a door by Swarovski, however you say that diamond brand, Swarovski. And then here is the Tarte product. Sorry, my camera's kind of blurry. And this is what it looks like. Oh. Yeah. I opened it up and it seems super nice. And then, last but not least, here's the detangler. It looks kind of funky, but I think it's just because it was in the heat and everything. So yeah, I'm going to shake it up before I use it. I'm just trying to get into like a routine and just, yeah. But I'm feeling really good. This past week was really good. Just trying to get back on track with my Weight Watchers and just like getting in a schedule and trying to work out every day. But yeah, me and Dad, I didn't show you, but me and Dad went on a super long bike ride. It was super fun. But I was going to show y'all how dark it is outside. Dizzy EA here. Okay, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, all the regular stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna start a new vlog tomorrow, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Comment down below any videos you'd like to see. I have a couple exciting ones I'm hopefully gonna be filming this week, so yeah. Talk to you guys later. Bye.